Most people don't realize when emotional doubt is being created around them. They just start feeling uncertain, anxious, or slightly off balance, and they cannot explain why. Psychology shows that emotional doubt rarely happens by accident. It is often shaped subtly through behavior, tone, inconsistency, or suggestion. By the end of this, you will understand why emotional doubt is created, what happens in the brain when certainty is shaken, and how this dynamic appears in relationships, friendships, and even at work. More importantly, you will begin to recognize when doubt is being manufactured rather than naturally felt. Emotional doubt begins with instability. The human brain is wired to seek patterns and predict outcomes. When someone behaves consistently, your nervous system relaxes. Predictability creates safety. But when signals become inconsistent, the brain shifts into alert mode. Imagine someone who alternates between warmth and distance. One day they are attentive and affectionate. The next day they are cold or unavailable without explanation. Your mind begins searching for meaning. This search is not weakness, it is biology. The brain interprets inconsistency as potential threat. Cortisol levels rise, attention narrows, and you start replaying interactions in your mind. You ask yourself what changed. You look for mistakes you may have made. Here is the surprising part. Emotional doubt often increases attachment rather than reducing it. When rewards are unpredictable, the brain releases dopamine in a powerful way. This is the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive. Intermittent reinforcement strengthens emotional fixation. So, when affection is inconsistent, the mind works harder to regain it. Pause and reflect. Have you ever felt more attached to someone who was uncertain about you than to someone who was consistently kind? That reaction reveals how powerful unpredictability can be. Creating emotional doubt can be conscious or unconscious. Some people use it as a strategy to maintain control or dominance. Others do it without realizing they are acting from insecurity. At its core, creating doubt shifts power. When one person feels unsure about where they stand, they invest more energy into securing approval. The dynamic subtly tilts. The person who feels certain holds stability. The person who feels uncertain seeks validation. This pattern shows up clearly in romantic relationships. A partner may withhold clear reassurance. They might make ambiguous comments about commitment. They may mention alternative options in subtle ways. None of these behaviors are overtly aggressive, but they create psychological instability. In friendships, emotional doubt can appear as selective inclusion. Someone may alternate between closeness and exclusion. They may praise you privately but criticize you lightly in public. At work, it can show up through inconsistent feedback. A manager might compliment performance one week and question competence the next without clear criteria. The common thread is unpredictability. The brain responds to unpredictability by increasing vigilance. You begin monitoring tone, facial expressions, and timing more closely. You may overanalyze text messages. You may interpret neutral signals as negative. This hypervigilance consumes cognitive energy. Ask yourself this question. When you think about a certain person, do you feel calm or do you feel slightly tense? That tension often signals unresolved uncertainty. Another important element is cognitive dissonance. When someone treats you well sometimes and poorly at other times, your mind struggles to reconcile the contradiction. To reduce discomfort, you may justify their negative behavior. You might think they are stressed. You might assume you misunderstood. You might blame yourself. This self-blame strengthens emotional doubt. Here is a pattern interrupt to consider. Imagine if every interaction with someone felt clear and consistent. Notice how much mental space would be freed. Emotional clarity reduces obsession. Doubt, on the other hand, keeps the mind engaged. Why would anyone create emotional doubt intentionally? Because uncertainty increases perceived value. When something feels scarce or unstable, it can appear more desirable. This principle is widely used in marketing and social dynamics. Limited availability increases demand. Emotional unpredictability can create the illusion of depth or complexity. But depth and instability are not the same. Emotional maturity is consistent. It communicates clearly. It does not rely on confusion to maintain interest. Sometimes people create doubt because they fear vulnerability. If they keep you uncertain, they avoid fully committing themselves. Ambiguity becomes protection. If the relationship fails, they can claim they never promised certainty. This preserves emotional distance. There is also a control component. When someone questions their own worth in the dynamic, they might try harder to please. They might silence their needs. They may tolerate behavior they would otherwise reject. Emotional doubt lowers boundaries. Reflect for a moment. Have you ever stayed in a situation longer than you should have because you were trying to regain clarity? That effort can keep people stuck. The brain seeks closure. When closure is delayed, attachment can intensify. However, not all emotional doubt is manipulative. Sometimes it emerges from poor communication skills. Someone may struggle to express affection consistently. They may withdraw when overwhelmed. The impact, though, can be similar. Your nervous system does not always distinguish between intentional manipulation and emotional inconsistency. It reacts to instability regardless of motive. That is why awareness is crucial. When you notice patterns of doubt, pay attention to your body. Tightness in the chest, restlessness, overthinking. These are signals of uncertainty. Instead of immediately trying to fix the dynamic, pause. Ask yourself whether the confusion is coming from mixed signals or from internal insecurity. This distinction matters. If the doubt is internally generated, reassurance and self-regulation can restore balance. If it's externally reinforced through inconsistency, clarity must be addressed directly. Healthy relationships reduce chronic doubt. They may include occasional misunderstandings, but the overall tone is stable. Trust is built through repeated alignment between words and actions. When alignment breaks repeatedly, doubt grows. Here's another surprising insight. The opposite of emotional doubt is not intensity, it is calm. Calm does not create dramatic highs and lows. It may even feel less exciting at first, but calm builds long-term security. Intensity fueled by uncertainty often feels passionate, yet it drains emotional energy over time. Ask yourself one final reflective question. Do you feel valued or do you feel evaluated? When someone consistently values you, your nervous system softens. When you feel evaluated or tested, tension rises. Understanding the psychology of creating emotional doubt allows you to step back from automatic reactions. Instead of chasing clarity from someone who withholds it, you can seek stability within yourself. Emotional doubt thrives in ambiguity. It weakens in transparency. If you notice patterns of inconsistency in your relationships, approach them with curiosity rather than accusation. Calmly ask for clarity. Observe whether the response increases stability or deepens confusion. Your emotional state will tell you more than words. In the end, creating emotional doubt is about power, fear, or avoidance, but recognizing it is about self-awareness. When you choose relationships that feel steady rather than destabilizing, you protect your mental energy. You build connections rooted in trust instead of tension. Consider where in your life clarity could replace confusion. Reflect on whether uncertainty is being resolved or repeatedly reinforced.
If this resonated, share your thoughts and continue exploring the patterns that shape your relationships. Awareness transforms emotional doubt into emotional intelligence and confusion into conscious choice.